Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from where you're watching me from. Welcome back, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I posted live trading videos here. Since the year began, I've been a little busy because it was the beginning of the year, so I've not been able to post live trading videos here. But today, being Monday, I decided to record some videos and put it here so that most of you guys who are trading or who want to trade, you also look at it and you learn from it and you gain experience from it and you go to your charts and also begin trading. So I have my laptop here today that I'm going to use to do the live trading. So open your eyes, open your ears and listen to whatever I'm going to say. Watch whatever I'm going to do, step by step approach, so that when you're also trading, you'll also be able to do the same on your charts. The purpose of this live trading is to make you gain raw life experience when you're also trading. You see how I behave, you see how I analyze the market, you see how I think. And also when you're trading, you also mimic the same way. When you mimic somebody, you also end up becoming like the person, right? So welcome back to live trading, and I'm glad you are here. So without wasting more time, let's just go to the chat and let's begin trading. Let's see what we can get today and what we can get today to trade. Okay, so let's begin with the currency meter. You know that I always enter my trade with the currency meter, right? The purpose of the currency trade meter is to be able to tell you the mode the market is in, not to tell you where to buy or where to sell, but it's just telling you the phase the market is in. Because sometimes when you open your charts, you realize that you have so many charts to trade, Euro USD, Euro Pound, Pound Yen, and so many currency pairs, and you know which one to choose from. So that one alone makes you get confused. That's why I introduced the currency meter here. It was not programmed by me. It was somebody's software. I took it and I made it, I customized it to suit my own preference. That's why as a trader, you must know what you're doing, right? I customized the currency meter to suit my own preference. And I've also been sharing it here for you guys on YouTube to also be able to use the same method and trading become successful. So always do that and you're able to sort out the unnecessary market, set them aside, and then you're able to select only specific pairs which are in good mode and then you begin to trade them. Okay, so on the currency meter today, we can see that those who are strong, we have the switch to be strong and the card to also be strong, right? So the switch and the card are strong, and we have the NZD and the JPY to be weak. So we can either make the top ones with the down ones, or we can make the top two to get ranging market. Okay, so if you want to trade a trending market, we just made top to down, and if you want to trade a ranging market, we made top to top or down to down. We made the strongest, right, and we made the weakest. So now let's trade, maybe let's say we want to find a trending market. So we are merging the top ones, which is the switch with maybe the NZD, or we merge the switch with the JPY. So let's see. So what I'll do is that I'll open my chart. Let me go to file, new chart, and switch card, because the card is strong and then the switch is weak. So you can see it's black. I'll insert my template, and now we are on the white template as we always trade. Okay, so on the M1, I have to go to the M1 so that I can record my trades. On the M1, what do we see? Good. On the N1, we can see the market is trending, but we can see that the spread is very wide. Can you see, guys? This market has a very wide spread. It means we cannot trade, because you know the consequences of trading with a wide spread, right? I've already explained to you some time ago. The spread is very wide, so we cannot trade if the spread is wide. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to search for different pair, because I cannot trade this. Can you see? The spread is too wide. I can't trade this particular pair. I have to search for different pair and trade. So I'm going to back to the current frame meter and see different one. Okay. So what else can we make? What else? Okay, we can also try the switch and the yen, right? The switch and the yen. So file, new charts, and switch and the NZD is also good. So switch NZD and we insert our template. Let's see. Wow, this one too has a very wide spread. Can you see, guys? You are not supposed to trade when the market is having wide spread. Okay, it's very wide. Can you see? Very wide, and we can't do that. We can't trade this market. So if it was to be on the H1, then it's very tight. But since I'm recording my trade on the M1, I can't do that. On the H1, you can see the market is trending beautifully, right? It's trending beautifully. So I would have joined the trend here if the market came, and then I would just join it down here, because on the H1, and you can see that the trend is very nice, right? But on M1, I can't do that. It's too wide. I can't do that on M1. Can you see? I can't do that. So I'll just search for different pair and then I'll trade. Okay. So now on the currency meter, okay, which pair again can I match? let me merge the CAD with the yen, because the CAD and the yen also behave just like the USD with the yen. So let me just open file, new chart, and CAD yen. Okay, and it looks black. I have to insert my template. Template. Okay, so now on M1, and you can see that on this pair, the spread is not that wide, so we can trade this spread. It's not that wide, we can trade this spread. Okay, we can trade this spread. So let's analyze the market. Okay, so we can see the market is trending down beautifully. Yes, and we are expecting the market to have a pullback, right? A pullback to this zone, and then we will join the market down. Very simple and clean. Okay, so I'm going to wait. If the market comes here, then I'll enter my trace here, so that at least I know how I prepare my chart already. So I'm not now come to think, wait, where's the setup? Where is this? No. But let me explain the setup to you. You can see that there is a pullback here. You can see there was a first pull down, right? And then the markets pushed up again. And then there's one more pull down. Now there was a push up. That was a correction retracement. And then the market pulled down. So here is where we are waiting. When the market pulls back again, then we join from this side. That's all. Very simple. It made the chart very clean, right? Made the chart very, very clean. So that's all. But watch something, guys. Watch something. When you are drawing lines on your chart, don't focus on the minor retracements. Like, for instance, this one, minor retracement. Don't focus on them. Focus on the bigger picture so that you make your chart very clean and simple. Trading shouldn't be complicated. Trading should be simple. Anytime you're doing something and the thing is very complicated, it means whatever you're doing, you're not doing it right. Nothing is complicated. Everything in life is very simple. But if you don't know how you're doing it, then it becomes very complicated. So make your trading very simple and very clean. Okay. So what we have to do is that now that I've already organized my setup, just have to wait for the market to come to a zone where I'm ready to sell. I'm going to put my sell limit orders here. Sell limit order. And one more. Okay, and now my stop loss will be somewhere here. No, here is good. Okay, here is good. My stop loss somewhere here, and my take profit target down here. Very simple, right? Very simple. So now I'll just leave my sell limit order and wait for the market to come and then trigger me in. So now I just have to leave the market. Market will come, trigger me in. Now I'll set my stop loss and I'll set my take profit target. Very simple. So to make the video very short, I'm going to put the recording up, and then when the markets come back again and trigger me in, then I'm going to resume the recording up, and then we continue with the video. Okay. Okay, guys, it's been some time, and I can see that the market is still trying to play around. I can see the market is not going up as we expected, so I have to reanalyze the market again. Okay. So what can I see? I can see the market is trying to head somewhere. The market is trying to head somewhere. Okay, I can see the market is heading towards this zone. Right, the market is heading towards this zone. And somewhere in the middle here, the market is heading towards this zone. So let me just adjust it to all. Okay, I think I like here. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to wait if the market come to hit this particular line. I'm sure the market is going to now hit this zone and return. The market is trying to do that, so I'm going to go against the trend. So I'm going to wait if the market hit this line, this zone, then I'll put my orders there and buy up to join the original trend. So let's wait a while. Let's wait for some small time and let's do that. Okay, guys, so now I can see the market has now come closer to the line where we drew the horizontal line. So now I just have to input my sell my buy limit order, and then we also join the trend upwards. We are going against the trend today. So because we are joining the bigger correction, okay? We are joining the correction. So I'm going to put my orders. One more. Okay. So I'm done. So now all orders set, and now it's time for me to wait for the market to trigger me in. Okay. Okay. So we are just joining the market to just joining to the original trend. We are going against the trend. Let me zoom it out and see something. Okay, I can see some pattern here, a pattern forming. The morning star pattern is forming. So what I'm going to do is that if this candle, this current candle closes bullish, then I'm going to buy immediately and clean the buy limit orders. So let's wait this candle. If this candle is able to close bullish, then I'm going to enter my trade immediately because it's the morning star pattern. So let me get ready. Okay, it has closed bearish, so now I'm not going to enter. I'm just going to wait for the market rather to guide me in instead. So let's just keep waiting for the market to just trigger me in. Let me clean these orders. We don't need them anymore. Let me just clean them and wait till the market take my orders. I'm not going to rush to hit buy or hit sell. Okay, I think we are almost in. We are almost in. Let's watch. Guys, are you watching closely? Good. One is in and one more. So now our orders are in. It's now time to set my stop loss. Let me clean this. It's now time to set my stop loss and my take profit targets. So my stop loss somewhere down here. No, this is too small. This is too small. Okay. One more. No, I think this is too small. Let me just adjust it and set it for. So somewhere $200. And I'll adjust this one to $200. Okay. Now, if this is $200, then my take profit target should be 400, right? So my take profit target of $400. Okay. And one more, 400, 400. Okay, so now we are set to go. We are now set to go. All what we can do is to wait for the market now, hit our stop loss or hit our take profit target. Okay. So let's wait for some time and see. So let me view my toolbox. Toolbox. And as you can see, we are already in some small profit here. Some small profits. So for the video not to be long, the video is a little longer already. I'm getting tired of talking and trading at the same time. It's not advisable to do that while I'm talking and trading at the same time. So let me just pause it. I'm tired already. Let me pause it. And then wait if the market is about to hit me out or hit my take profit target, then I'll resume again. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm back. So now let's see. As you can see, the market is almost hitting our take profit target. So we are getting our $800. Okay. So let's wait for it to take us out and then we end the trading. You can see the market was actually playing around, right? The market was playing around before, now it's almost hitting. So when you enter your trade, don't intervene in your trade, okay? When you set your stop loss and set your take profit target, just wait. Okay, so let's wait for it to take us out. Okay, like we are almost out. We are almost out. Almost getting out. One, two, three, good. And we are out, and our profit made of $800. So guys, that's how we trade every day. Profit made $800 in my account just within some short time. Okay, so as you have seen, when you are trading, you shouldn't be rushing. Be specific on what you're looking for. You see, when I opened the first chart and the spread was very wide, I didn't take any trade, right? Second chart, the spread was very wide, I didn't take any trade. Third chart, the spread was a little okay, so I decided to take the trade. And when you take the trade, don't be rushing, don't be fearful, and don't also be angry with the market. The market can behave any way it wants to behave, either you are trading or not. So you must always be patient and look for your setup to be ready. And when your setup is ready, you always enter at the exact point where you're supposed to enter and you leave the market to play. Doesn't matter how long the market is going to take. Sometimes it can take 10 minutes. Right now, I'm trading the M1, which means it's faster. Sometimes it can take 30 minutes. Sometimes it can take 45 minutes. You can't tell. But as a trader, your goal is to enter, set your entry criteria, set your stop loss criteria, and set your take profit target criteria. You are not supposed to intervene in the trading. You are not the market, so don't do that. Okay. So at least if you learn something from this live trading video, keep it in your mind. When you're also trading, think of the same way I've been thinking here. You say, okay, Seth Owa says he does this, he does this, he does this. Let me see if I can also mimic the same thing. And then I hope that you also become successful trader if you follow my steps. So that'll be all for this video. See you next time. Come back every Monday to watch such live trading videos. On Thursday too, I'm going to put technical analysis here or how to find first episodes here. So you're always welcome to come and watch this video. If you like the video so far, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. So this was Towas, your mentor, and I'm signing out.